With the help of the doublet tool, you can calculate and save overlaps between different target groups in order to quickly and easily create overlap-free target groups. The basis for the comparison is always the unique characteristic set for the client, which is either the email address or a customer number. There are two ways to access the doublet tool. The first way is directly via the target group list, where you can select target groups directly using checkboxes and then call up the duplicate comparison using the function displayed at the top. The previously selected target groups are then already added here. If desired, additional target groups can be easily added. To do this, simply select additional target groups by using the checkboxes and click on the button Add Selected. The search input simplifies the search for longer target group lists. Up to 20 target groups can be added to the selection, which can then be compared with each other in a single step. The list of selected target groups can now be read as follows. You always compare the target groups in the list with the first target group in the list, whereby the target group that you want to filter out from the other target groups below must always be at the top of the list. If you want to compare the target groups differently, you can change the order of the selected target groups using drag and drop. To start the comparison, click on Calculate Doublets. In our example, we can see that the address from Target Group 2 is also contained in Target Group 1. In comparison with Target Group 3, we have 4 duplicates and 2 unique data records here. In addition to adjusting the order, you can simply save the results as a new target group by clicking on the Save icon. Entries can be removed from the list individually using the Delete icon, and the Reset action completely clears the previous selection in one step. You can then reselect the target groups to be compared and add them to the comparison. Way 2 to the doublet tool is via the main menu in the Addresses and Doublet Tool section. The functions here are identical and can be executed as described before. The only difference is that no target groups are already selected from the list. Instead, you must initially select and add the target groups.